For 7th grade social studies, we are going to be using the Studies Weekly. My 12-year-old has used this since kindergarten, so we're sticking to that. For Spanish, I did go ahead and get this workbook, and we also have the Skill Builders for grades 6 through 8. My 12-year-old does want to learn more about psychology, so we're going to be getting her lots of books on that. We did get all the books for everything you need to ace middle school just so she can have it. And we also got the grade 6 and grade 7 Brain Quest smart cards. These geography cards are part of the Good and the Beautiful Level 7 Language Arts. This is the course book and this is the companion, as well as the 2 books that go with it. Our health book is from the Good and the Beautiful. We did go ahead and get health and the physical body, so we're gonna see how this goes for our 12-year-old. For science, we did choose Apologia. We are going to be starting the general science, and these are the 2 that go with it. For pre-K, we are going to be using A Year of Playing Skillfully. We started it this year, and we're going to reuse it again for the upcoming school year. I did get the health social studies for pre-K or kinder, so we're going to see how this goes. For language arts, we did get the Good and the Beautiful preschool course book and all the little things that come with it. And just in case he finishes early, I did pick up the kindergarten prep course book. I also got the science for little hands from the Good and the Beautiful, so we are going to be using this as our science curriculum. We're also going to start Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. We did pick up this art book just because it teaches you how to make your own paint and little stuff like that. And for math, we are doing preschool math at home. We fell in love with Brain Quest, so now that we're done with the one for ages 2 to 3, we're going to be introducing this one for ages 3 to 4. To teach money, there's a free resource online for grades pre-K to 12, and this is our free spelling resource.